there, Vinnie here, co-founder at Graphite Note, and today I want to invite you to experience the power of predictive analytics for yourself by signing up to our Impact in a Day offer. This is where you sign up to a free trial account on Graphite Note. You upload a sample data set and invite our data science team in to run some predictive analytics models for you to see the power of machine learning in action, driving the deepest insights on your data and giving you a preview or a prediction of what's going to happen in the future. We use the exact same data sets as you would use for any descriptive analytics solutions like Power BI or Tableau. In fact, we sit very well in a complementary way next to those descriptive analytics solutions to allow you to complete the data maturity journey from descriptive to predictive and even prescriptive, leveraging the power of GenAI. So please sign up today, and within 24 hours of scheduling your Impact in a Day session, you will get a really good view of the potential power of predictive analytics for your business.